The live cost of Cronos is $14,060,171. Cronos coin cost is supposed to go as high as 0.231 toward the finish of 2024. Crypto may cross the $1 mark, with an expected high of $105 toward the finish of 2030. The year 2021 ended up being a distinct advantage for the majority of the weighty altcoin projects. Curiously, Cronos blockchain's previous presentation had displayed quick unpredictability over time. Crypto ended up being one of the imaginative undertakings to pay special attention to in the long haul. The vital objective of the stage is centered around working with utility to the dealers of Cronos monetary administrations, exchanging, and installment arrangements. Likewise, the stage further offers a large number of a few business sectors across the globe, with various digital currencies, fiats, unending, and fates forming it as the best venture choice. Is it safe to say that you are thinking about coin costs for your speculation portfolio, yet are as yet deciding its possibilities? Look no further, as this write-up will outline the conceivable Cronos cost forecast 2024-2030 and the years to come. Value expectation April 2024. The Cronos cost exchanged a shut reached somewhere in the range of $0.12580 and $169 for a period, following which the bulls lost energy and recorded revision of roughly 30%. Nonetheless, the bulls held the cost over the help level of $119, bringing about a flood. The cost added 34.62% inside the following 9 days, after which the cost exchanged sideways for some time. As the market unpredictability developed, the bulls lost force, bringing about the Cronos token encountering a separate in the diagram. From that point forward, the cost has been showing a nonpartisan pattern by exchanging a shut reached somewhere in the range of $134 and $147. The specialized market, MACD, shows a lessening in the green histogram, demonstrating an expansion in the selling tension on the lookout. Besides, the typical presentation's a negative bend, proposing the cost might encounter a potential downtrend before long. Assuming that the bulls holds the cost over the help level of $134, the cost will test its upper opposition level of $169 in the impending weeks. On the other hand, in the event that the bears overwhelm the bulls, the cost would fall and plan to test its lower support level of $119 this month. Cronos Value Forecast 2024. Assume the creators behind Cronos keep on carrying out formative and local area building drives. The cost could move to its likely high of $231. Conversely, neglecting to keep its position and vision, crypto could bring about regrettable analysis and a tumble to $127. Thusly, the ordinary cost could find its base at $179. Value Expectation 2025. Cronos value expectation could accomplish more striking achievements toward the finish of 2025. It very well may be positioned among the main 15 monetary forms, assuming it reliably views explicit improvements of its foundation. What's more, centers around offering straightforwardness for its applications. All things considered, cost could hit a limit of $3.54 toward the finish of 2025. Nonetheless, stiffer contest and ebbing position could drop the cost to $2.39. Altogether, the absence of proactive moves could close the coin cost at $2.97. Cronos Value Expectation 2026. As per estimate costs and specialized examination, cost is projected to arrive at least $3.1 in 2026. The greatest cost could hit $4.22, with a typical exchanging cost of around $3.62. Crypto Value Expectation 2027. Anticipating 2027, cost is supposed to arrive at a low of $3.92, with a high of $509 and a typical gauge cost of $4.61. Cronos Value Expectation 2028. In 2028, the single Cronos is expected to arrive at least $4.76, with a limit of $658 and a typical cost of $5.67. Coin Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Cronos cost is anticipated to arrive at least $612, with the possibility to hit a limit of $6 and a normal of $709. Cronos Value Forecast 2030. In 2030, Cronos is anticipated to contact its least cost at $747, hitting a high of $105 and a typical cost of $31. We have made a table that incorporates the conceivable cost expectation for a similar token made by other crypto investigators on their individual stages. The objectives referenced above are the typical targets set by the individual firms. The people group could zero in on unambiguous coordinated efforts to enhance its foundation. Toward the finish of 2024, the CRO cost is supposed to arrive at its expected high of $231. Running against the norm, negative patterns could drag the value down to $0.27. This brings the typical exchanging cost of this crypto to $179. Crucial examination. Chris Marcelek, Rafael Milo, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao established Crypto.com in June 2018 as Monaco Advances. CRO as of now can be exchanged on well-known stages like Huobi Worldwide, OKEX, HBTC, and so forth. Boss organizer Chris Marcelek had experience working with 3 presumed tech firms before he understood to send off Crypto.com. He had worked with Stolan Polska, a buyer hardware plan and assembling business, and BeCrazy, a notable web-based business firm. Then again, Rafael Milo, who finished his graduation from the PUC Rio, aggregated 15 years of work inside in finance. He has worked with rumored firms in Asia and got north of 50 million AUD in subsidizing for Insogo. Gary had graduated in software engineering from the College of Hong Kong. He amassed information on full stack site advancement for 9 long years. He was an engineer at Insogo and helped to establish the portable application improvement firm Forest. What is Cronos? Cronos is a decentralized and open-source blockchain created by a monetary administrations and exchanging association. It is a stage offering different administrations, for example, trades, businesses, charge cards, DeFi, LoanJet, and some more. CroCoin is the local token and one of the results of the chain, which plans to fabricate an organization of ventures and assist arising vendors with tolerating digital currencies as a type of installment. Cronos plans to extend its foundation's range to different stages and, in this manner, influence the CRO cost emphatically. The group behind the organization made declarations on the 18th of February, 2022, that Crypto.com will be rebranded to Cronos, which mirrors the decentralized idea of the environment. As per the declarations, the biological system addresses the following significant stage in the reception and use of Web 3.0 by a large number of clients. CRO Verifiable Value Activity 2D18-2022. The computerized coin existed in the crypto world on the 15th of December, with an exchanging worth of $0.19. Inside a couple of days, the coin rose fundamentally to $0.35, however declined back to $0.19 before the year's over. The year 2019 initiated on a negative note, with a trade worth of $0.02. CRO coin cost moved vertical to $1.98 by the center of spring. Following the assault of the bears, the value drooped to its year-end focus of $33. Cronos cost opened in the year